So Microsoft Power Virtual Agents improve customer and employee satisfaction, lower support cost, and bolster employee productivity within power of AI. Nowadays lots of AI available in the market, Chat GPT and anything. You don't know all these AIs available. So now Microsoft is also introducing lots of virtual agents in there to support lots of activities, which we can explore it in the AI section. And even that FNO and Navision has a connector to connect with ChatGPT. Have you
Yeah.
heard about that?
Yeah, I've heard about it. Yeah.
Okay, and that's doing really good. Even some of the organization try to develop a connector to raise the invoices through Chat GPT.
To raise invoices.
Right, raise invoices through Chat GPT.
Oh, okay.
So empower business user to provide an easy to use solution to create and manage virtual agents public boards without having to write codes. SaaS-based Power Virtual Agent use the flexibility and scalability of Microsoft Power Platform with the power of AI to provide an extensible and customizable solution that is suitable for any customer service scenario. So once we talk about here, you see that a BI and BI, that you have to put the data and the graph and everything is going to be like that. Power App is specifically used for Power App. Power Automate to do a specific task on a certain trigger. Here in virtual agent, what we have that we can use this virtual agents to do AI part, which going to be a future of D365 FNO. So when we talk about Dynamics 365 model-driven apps, Dynamics 365 model-driven apps are descended by customer relationship CRM. The D365 app are modern-driven apps that are built for Dataverse platform like D365 sales, customer service, field service, marketing. All these apps are available now. So when we talk about here Dataverse, so now why Microsoft is increasing their sales just because of adding all these things in their feather. D365 sales enable you to build a strong relationship with the customer, take action based on insight, and close sales faster. This activity is going to be taken by the AI also. In Dynamics 365, customer service allow you to earn customers for life, build greater customer relationship by focusing on optimum customer satisfaction with the customer service app. Customer service provide many features and tools that you can use to manage the services that you provide to the customer. Similarly, D365 field service help you to deliver on-site service to customer location. The application combines workflow automation, scheduling algorithm, and mobility to set up mobile works for success when they are on site with customer to fix issues. And last, Dynamic 365 Marketing is a marketing automate application that helps turn prospect into business relationship. The app is straightforward, works seamlessly with the Dynamic 365 for sales and has built-in business intelligence. Use the D365 marketing to create graphical emails, messages, share information across sales and marketing team and more. So now these all four small dataverse platform, these are helping and our customers and user both to do the work faster and effective manner. Okay, so I have a question for you that have you ever worked on LCS?
LCS. Yeah.
Okay,
Life cycle
and
services. Yeah.
right, and have you started a project from the scratch?
Not really.
Not really. So what did you do on LCS?
So on LCS, mainly like creating, like for example, provisioning. So create the main things I've done there is like creating a VM for development, and then configuring the data lake
Hmm.
add in.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's
That's great.
pretty
That's
much.
great. That means you have a little bit exposure of LCS. So there are a part where we can discuss about LCS too, so that your present experience will help me to not drill down the topic too much. And do you have exposure of FNO functional?
Yeah, so the finance model.
Oh yeah, you completed MB310, right?
Yeah.
So you have exposure of finance module, right? So once we talk about, there are few applications which are decent in an ERP, that is D365 Commerce, D365 Finance, D365 Human Resource, D365 Supply Chain. So all together, it is merged and doing similar AI and everything is going to be added in this. Once we talk about additional product and services, which we here mention all these things. So once we talk about additional product and services, we have app sources, Azure DevOps, Dynamic 365 Customer Insight, Dynamic 365 Fraud Protection, T365 guides, remote assistance, customer voice, and mixed reality. Mixed reality, the result of blending the physical word with the digital word. Mixed reality is the next evolution in human computer and environment interaction, and unlock possibilities that before now were reacted to our imaginations, restricted to our imagination. Sorry about that. It is made possible by advancement in the computer vision, graphic processing power, display technologies, and input system. So here what happened that now lots of AI applications are added here. Power Virtual Agent have lots of capability to do lots of things. So here are some expectations of a solution architect. To be successful, a solution architect should be capable of performing several soft skills. This unit exposes some of these key skills. Those who aspire to be a business application solution architect should spend time on project observing how the project solution architect engage. The best solution architect learn from blending experience from many projects along with lesson learned from their success and failures. So, how many projects you have implemented till now, and what is the maximum duration of a project?
Well, I'm a contractor. Usually been in for like a year
Mm-hmm.
approximately. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's good. And all these experience as a developer, right?
Yeah. So it's a mixture as developer, data migration. Yeah, but so predominantly developer.
Mm-hmm. That's great. That's great. So you already have that exposure with you. So you four project is a quite good experience as a developer, which you can easily use in your solution architect soft skills. So there are certain areas where you develop a code which is very tricky and you find it to do it in a smarter way. So all these things comes in your solution architect role. You got my point?
Yeah.
Likewise, I said that the power app use of a power app or any other apps available to bypass the any requirement, any major customization requirement. Use the Power Automate to do the routine job or fixed trigger job. All these things comes in your solution architect role. Always remember this picture in your mind, that solution architect is next to program manager, project manager, and delivery architect.
Am I going to get this slide or this
Mhm.
Word document?
You will have at the end
Okay.
of the session. I will share these all these content with you so that you can easily go through with in your weekdays. So that if you have any doubt, any queries, you can come and talk to me on your session.
Okay. Yeah.